Alright. Min, what was our topic last week?
Brands.
Very good, okay? And in our title here, okay, what about brands are we learning about, Michael?
The influence of them.
Very good. Michael, if someone influences you, how many ways can they influence you?
Negatively or positively.
Very good. I want you to take your pens right now and circle those two words. So we have two sides today. Negative effects, and what's the opposite one?
Positive.
Positive effects. Alright. Let's see if you guys can remember and recall some of these effects that we learned last week. Alright, I'm going to give you some pictures, okay, to kind of help you along the way. Okay, Michael, do you remember this picture?
Yeah.
Okay, what's happening in this picture?
Kids bullying and making fun of that other kid.
Good, Min. How does this relate to our topic, brands?
Because people who don't have brands get bullied.
Very good. So I want you to take your pen. Try to remember, with this picture, what's missing in that blank? Contribute to what? Okay, we'll go ahead and review the answers in just a little bit, okay? Take a look at the second one here. Alright, this is the Samsung CEO. What does he have on his hands?
Money.
Okay, money and?
Handcuffs.
What do you think happened? What was his story?
He did something wrong against the law.
Beautiful. What was this we talked about? People doing something wrong last week. Go ahead and fill in the blank. I'm just curious. Michael, what did you write down?
Unethical stuff.
Very good. Okay, perfect. Alright, our last one on that side. What's happening to this lady?
She's buying everything.
Good. Everything, which means what?
She's shopping a lot and spending money.
Very good. What she needs or what she wants?
What she wants.
Very good. What do we call this when you buy too much? Okay, write it down. Okay, class, now that we have finished our review of last week's topic, let's go ahead and get into our research. Last week, I asked you guys to go home and research about what? Does anyone remember? I'll give you a hint. CSR. What did that stand for, Michael?
Corporate social responsibility.
Very good, okay? So, I believe your group, okay, you were supposed to go home and research what corporate social responsibility was.
Yes.
And I asked your group to go home and find a company that actually has a social corporate responsibility. So, Min, let's go ahead, start with you, okay? So, did you find out information about a particular company?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you stand? Okay, Michael, I have a job for you. While he's presenting about his research, I want you to think of one question that you would like to ask him about CSR. Okay? Alright, go ahead.
I researched about Cheongdam.
Okay. Michael, do you have a question?
Yes, Min. Why does Cheongdam have this program?
Because when many people think Cheongdam, they think only rich people can do it. And Cheongdam wanted to have a program for poor people too.
Okay, very good. Let's get a round of applause. Good job. Now, I just want to ask you a couple questions. Min, last week we talked about brand image. This Nanon campaign, does it make Cheongdam look better or worse?
Much better.
Much better. Okay.